Current Wisconsin Governor Evers is calling an urgent meeting for tomorrow to examine the state's response to the coronavirus threat. Ben Jordan explains how big events in Milwaukee could be affected.
From Milwaukee Bucks games to the DNC, the coronavirus is a major concern for large events in Milwaukee. Bucks co-owner Marc Lasry says if this spread turns into a pandemic, Bucks games could be played without fans in attendance. The NBA announced that all players have been ordered to limit their contact with fans due to the coronavirus. That means no high fives or taking items such as pens for autographs. Today, Marc Lasry said it could get to the point where Fiserv Forum doesn't allow fans to attend games.
If all of a sudden, you start seeing fewer and fewer people and there's more and more people getting sick, I think you're going to be forced to be in sort of a situation where you say to people, look, maybe we're going to have the games, which is what they've done in Europe, but you're not going to be able to have fans in there.
The Japanese Baseball League plans to play its entire preseason without spectators. The Milwaukee Bucks are in communication with the NBA and the Centers for Disease Control on best practices. Bucks president Peter Fagan says that starts with washing hands.
I think everything from, how we have dispensers around the concourses and the bathrooms, reminders to really wash hands and personal contact probably at the moment, should be held back until the risk subsides.
The Wisconsin Department of Health Services is currently testing one pending case in the state, and they've opened a testing center in Milwaukee.
Clearly we don't want to have it here, but clearly we are preparing to have it here.
Mayor Tom Barrett remains hopeful the coronavirus doesn't affect the Democratic National Convention, but it's too early to make that determination.
I think right now it's clearly all hands on deck at the national level, the state level, and we're trying to do that as well here.
Mayor Barrett says conversations with health officials haven't been limited to large events in Milwaukee. He says workplaces and local schools could be impacted by the coronavirus in the coming weeks. Reporting outside Fiserv Forum, Ben Jordan, TMJ4 News.